Number 5. Question is, what are the boiling point and freezing point? So we have 2 questions. We have question number 1, question number 2. Of a 3.12 molar solution of naphthalene and benzene. Right? It gives you the boiling and freezing points. So we got the freezing point is 5.5. Boiling point is 80.1. And KB and KF. All right. So when we're changing the boiling and freezing points, we should look at, right, so number 1 first, which is the boiling point. Delta T equals KB times M times I. Now, naphthalene and benzene. What are these types of compounds, right? This is the tough. What is naphthalene? Well, is naphthalene an ionic compound? It's not one we know, right? Okay, is it an acid? Is it a base? Well, not that we know at this point in Chem 2. So naphthalene, these are going to be molecules. These are going to be molecules. All right, and so I is going to be 1 because they are molecules. All right, so delta T here for boiling would equal KB, which is 2.64 degrees Celsius per mole. And we have 3.12 mole. And there is no I is 1. So that means delta T would be 2.64 times 3.12, 8.2368 degrees Celsius, which with 3 sig figs, 8.24 degrees Celsius. Now it starts off at 80, and we're going to get higher, right? The boiling point elevates, right? So the boiling point elevates. So we're going to add 80.1 degrees Celsius. So it's 80. And so that looks like for question number 1, I get 88.3. That 4 we don't get to keep. 88.3 degrees Celsius. So there's the answer for number 1. Number 2 is the freezing point. And freezing points are depressed, which means lowers, right? And so we have delta T equals KF times M times I. Right? So delta T equals, our freezing point constant is 5.07 degrees Celsius per mole. Still our 3.12 mole. And we're still multiplying by 1. So delta T would be 5.07 times our 3.12. I get 15, that's a horrible, 15.8184, 3 sig figs, 15.8 degrees Celsius. All right, so now we start at 5.5 degrees Celsius. We're going to minus 15.8 degrees Celsius. And so your 5.5 minus your 15.8, you're going to get negative 10.3 degrees Celsius. And so that's boiling point elevation and freezing point depression. So overall, this is not a difficult problem. We got to remember, though, boiling point goes up and the freezing point goes down.